Hey, J.R. Fisher here. I want to talk to you today about our canned turkey. This has become an all-time favorite for people, not just around the holidays, but year-round. Now, it comes in two different size cans. It's got a 14.5 ounce that looks like this. You're going to get 5 servings out of this can, but they're 3-ounce servings. Keep that in mind. If you read the labels of most foods, they're going to give you 2-ounce servings. Almost all survival foods will give you 2-ounce servings. So you're not getting as much. You're getting more with us, okay? And you're also going to get these jumbo cans if you choose. These are 28-ounce. These have 9 servings in them. Now, the interesting thing is the quality. Quality is far better than anything you normally cook because we use a slow pressure method and it tenderizes the meat. This is 2/3 white meat and 1/3 dark meat, so it has the perfect blend every single time. Now, the big question is, well, what can you do with them? Well, first off, you don't have to do a whole lot because they're already pre-cooked, and there's only 2 ingredients. There's no additives, preservatives, chemicals, none of that stuff. It's just meat and a trace amount of salt, and then we cook it in the can. So let's talk about what you can do with it. Okay. Make your mealtime really special with our canned turkey. It's a versatile and nutritious choice for almost any occasion. It's going to be perfect for quick, hearty stew, a savory turkey pot pie, or go international and serve turkey curry with a little spice or as a protein-packed addition to salads, sandwiches. Our canned turkey guarantees convenience because it's pre-cooked without any compromise whatsoever. Now, it is ideal for emergency food storage or simply to ensure you always have a wholesome meal option at your fingertips. For those more adventurous cooks, why not try incorporating it into a comforting turkey chili or as a filling for enchiladas? Grab some today, put it in your cart. You won't be sorry, I can guarantee you this. And I want to hear your input. After you've tasted our turkey, give us a call or send us an email. Post on our Facebook page and let me know what you thought.